So let's get started. We're going to add some butter. We're making it again in a cast iron, but you could do it in a non-stick as well. And then as soon as we add the butter, we're going to go ahead and add the vermicelli or the savia. These are already pre-roasted, dry roasted, which is why they're a bit golden brown. And that's one of the reasons why it won't take too long to cook them, because they're already, semi-pre-cooked essentially. So we're going to saute them really well on medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes to get them a bit more brown, golden brown. And there you see I've added cracked 2 small green cardamom, and then also some nutmeg powder. And I'm just going to add those 2 flavors, which is really fresh, into here, and then as well as sugar. And then we're just going to continue to mix it, and now all that sugar is going to begin to caramelize in the heat. And once you see that the sugar is really mixed in, and you can see there is a bit of white spot, but it's not as evident, that's when you know you can go ahead and add the next step, which is hot water. So I'm actually using water straight out of a kettle. I already boiled the exact amount of water that I needed, which is essentially double of the vermicelli that we've taken, and I'm adding it directly to my pot now. And then once you do that, I'm going to take another I'm just going to essentially stir it one more time to make sure everything is evenly distributed, because this is how it's going to essentially set into your pan or pot, whatever you're using. So just mix everything up one more time, and then we're going to actually cover it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Again, still on medium heat for this throughout this process. And when you open up the lid, you'll see it'll be bubbling just like such. And we're going to add some almonds and walnuts. You can add any dry fruit or any nuts that you like. And then about 3 to 4 minutes, it's going to cook on the open without the lid. And then we're going to add some more almonds and walnuts to top it up. And there you have it. You can clearly see when it's done, all that water is going to be either evaporated or just soaked by the vermicelli. And there it is. Enjoy.